with Nape Rosé Travels. I'm originally from the islands of Tahiti and also Maui in Hawaii, but I've been here in the Hamptons 4 years now. So if you don't know, the Hamptons is in New York, in the state of New York, on the east end of Long Island, and also has become the setting for a few TV shows, TV series, HBO series, movies. If you haven't heard, you might have heard of Montauk. In these uncertain times, it's been very interesting, very exciting, and at the same time sometimes unnerving to navigate this pandemic, and I hope that you're safe and well as your loved ones. I was supposed to be in New Zealand right now, and of course it's not possible to go, and so I decided to make the best of my continued stay here in the Hamptons. And I've discovered so many gems, especially for someone like me who loves nature, who loves the beach, who loves dancing, who loves food, who loves rosé, and it's been quite a treat. And today I'm taking you with me to check out the Napeague State Park. It's a pretty huge park. So we're just going to do my favorite loop today, which is the Promised Land loop, and there'll be a little description about it in the video, and I hope you enjoy. And if you haven't yet, please follow me on Instagram at Nape Rosé Travels, same on Twitter and same on Facebook, and on YouTube, same thing, obviously you're here, and I'm also on LinkedIn. Thank you for watching. Napeague State Park is a 1,364-acre state park in the town of East Hampton in Suffolk County, New York. The largely undeveloped park stretches across the entire narrow width of the South Fork of Long Island, from the Atlantic Ocean to Gardiners Bay and Block Island Sound. The park is located on either side of the Montauk Highway on the Napeague stretch between Amagansett and Montauk. This park's land was initially purchased by the Nature Conservancy in 1976 and conveyed to New York State in 1978. It consists mostly of wetlands and areas where waves washed over Long Island during the Great Hurricane of 1938. That hurricane formed near the coast of Africa on September 9, became a Category 5 hurricane on the Saffir-Simpson hurricane scale before making landfall as a Category 3 hurricane on Long Island on September 21st of that year. It is estimated that the hurricane killed around 700 people, damaged or destroyed more than 57,000 homes, and caused property losses estimated at $306 million worth today, $4.7 billion worth of damages. Damaged trees and buildings were still seen in the affected areas as late as 1951. It remains the most powerful and deadliest hurricane in recorded New England history, perhaps eclipsed in landfall intensity only by the Great Colonial Hurricane of 1635. Here at Napeague State Park, there is virtually no infrastructure or permitted camping at the park, which is administered by nearby Hill State Park. A landmark within the park is the huge abandoned Smith Mill Fish Factory in an area on Gardiners Bay called Promised Land, which is where we are today in this video. Salut tout le monde, je suis Noé, originaire des îles de Tahiti et aussi de Maui à Hawaï. J'ai commencé mon blog Voyage et style de vie et j'adore ce que je fais. J'espère que vous restez tous en bonne santé durant cette période difficile et j'aimerais partager avec vous ce qui m'a inspiré à continuer mon vlog tant que je suis dans les Hamptons. Il y a tellement de choses à explorer ici et mon intention est de partager avec vous tous mes endroits préférés et les raisons pour lesquelles les gens tombent amoureux de cet endroit, et ainsi que les vignobles du Norfolk de Long Island pour une rose exploration. C'est mon rêve un jour d'avoir ma propre étiquette rosée, donc pour l'instant, j'apprends tout ce que je peux sur le sujet. Dans ce vlog, je vous emmène avec moi à Napeague dans la ville de East Hampton. J'espère que vous apprécierez l'expérience et je m'excuse d'avance pour ma pauvre présentation car il y avait des moments où il faisait tellement chaud et humide avec des moustiques partout que j'avais du mal à filmer. Entre-temps, je vous invite à me suivre sur Insta à Noé Rosé Travels et à vous abonner également à ma chaîne. Merci à tous et à plus!
We made it. We are at the Napeague State Park beach and this is another one of my favorite spots in the Hamptons that I consider definitely a gem and a must experience because even though it's not the beach from the other side, it's the sound still. The air is crisp today. It smells so good. I love this breeze. Abba is happy and I'm happy that you're here with me and just enjoy the scenery. I'm going to go fly the drone.
Let's get some sun, baby, it's time to go.